Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey, one of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we're mixing up some spooky drinks that are perfect for celebrating Halloween. So to get started, we're going to make a kid-friendly drink. These are ghost milkshakes, very spooky and very easy. So to start with these, we have some vanilla ice cream in our blender. I'm simply going to add some milk, really the most basic of milkshakes, and we're going to blend that together. All right, it looks great. So the fun in this milkshake comes in when we garnish. So I'm just going to get these into our glasses. This is a very simple recipe that kids can help with making and then also with decorating. Even if you're keeping things a little bit smaller for Halloween this year, it's still fun to celebrate. And what better way to do that than with some really fun drinks? So to garnish these, I'm going to top with some whipped topping. I'm gonna add a really nice healthy dollop because these are kind of the tops of our ghosts. So we'll make sure there's enough there to hold the rest of our garnishes. All right, and then we're just gonna add these really cute candy eyeballs. Of course, you can add more than one, or more than two, I should say, or less than two, however spooky your ghost is. And you can also feel free to garnish with other sprinkles or other fun candies to really make the faces more elaborate. So there we go, some fun straws. What a fun, kid-friendly Halloween drink. So now we're gonna move over to the adult drink that we have here. This is a Black Widow cocktail. So to get started with this one, I'm going to add some blackberries to my shaker. The blackberries add a really nice kind of violet color, which, I don't know, it kind of gives me those spooky vibes. We're gonna add some fresh rosemary, some fresh lemon juice, and some honey. Feel free with this honey to kind of play around with it, and if you want to add a little bit more sweetness, by all means, add a little bit more honey, or if you want it to be a little bit more tart, you can adjust that as well. Don't put quite as much honey in. So I'm just going to kind of muddle this all together to really get those blackberries nice and incorporated with the lemon juice, as well as that really great herby flavor from the rosemary. Ooh, there's a lot of really good juices coming from those blackberries as well. We've got some good juices going on here. So now I'm going to add, of course, the alcohol. We can't forget about that with our adult drink. So today we're using some tequila and just a couple dashes of bitters. I really like that nice kind of tart flavor that adds. So I'm just gonna shake this together. Get all those flavors mixed really well. Ooh, it kind of looks like a crime scene now. I've got a little extra of that blackberry juice out, but you know what? It all adds to the ambiance. So at this point, I'm just going to pour all this juice into our glasses. There's not going to be a ton, but it works out really well because we're going to end up topping then with some blackberry sparkling water, which I've got here. So we'll just top that. You can see that really nice kind of violet-y color. I love that for Halloween. Oh my gosh, I can really smell all those, especially that lemon juice. It smells super fresh. Okay, and then to garnish this drink, we're going to add a sprig of rosemary to each and a few more blackberries. Look at these. Nice, fun Halloween drinks. So scare up some fun with these drinks, and for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.